Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable the high contrast keyboard in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down. At the bottom you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option vision enhancement. So here you can see the option high contrast keyboard. Turn on this option. Here you can see the white letters on the blue keypad is enabled. If you tap on this one, here you can see the varieties of high contrast keyboard you can see here, and according to your choice you can select any one from here. Now the white letters on blue keypad is selected. So if you want to change to black letters on yellow keypad, then you can select this one. You can select this one also, and you can select this one also. So according to your choice you can select any one from here. Okay, so simply in this way you can enable or disable the high contrast keyboard in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.